From Chasing Lincoln's Killer by James L. Swanson. On April 14, 1865, President and Mrs. Lincoln were watching a play at Ford's Theater when John Wilkes Booth snuck up behind the president and shot him. Lincoln never knew what happened to him. His head dropped forward, his body lost all muscle control, and sagged against the rocking chair. The sound of the pistol shot hung in the box for several seconds. It traveled to the stage below and echoed throughout the theater. The pistol shot did startle some people in the audience. Some people thought it was part of the play. Some people did not hear it at all. Major Henry Rathbone, seated in the box just feet away from the president, was an experienced Army officer, familiar with the sounds of gunshots. He was the first to realize that something was very wrong. He turned to his left. The smoke from the gun, now tinted red from the gaslights, partly blocked his vision. Rathbone rose from his seat and stepped in the direction of the president. At that moment, he saw a wild-eyed man, his face ghostly against his black clothes, hair, and mustache. Like a demon, Booth emerged from the cloud of black powder and sprang at him. Rathbone lunged for Booth, grabbing him by the coat. The assassin broke free, shouting, "Freedom!" and throwing his right arm up as high as it could reach. Rathbone saw what Booth had clenched in his fist, a large, shiny knife, its blade pointed directly down at him. At the last moment, Rathbone raised his arm to protect himself from what was intended to be a death blow.